In Las Anod, Cismaan Graad Maxamed was in Burco at the Northern Conference in May when independence was declared.
Only there was few points that proposed by the SNM. That was 6 or 7 points, I don't know. That was previously prepared by the SNM, and that was approved by subcommittees, and that was put onto the conference, and everybody was said, okay. I believe that what now happened as a Somaliland Republic is not the real opinion of the political leaders of Somalia or of Somaliland. That was made by the administration of the people. And leaders have no control but to accept. I mean, they have no other choice but to accept the opinion of the public.
The Dhulbahanti's leading elder and a Dhulbahanti delegation did attend the meeting. Ali Khalif was a member of the Dhulbahanti delegation at the talks.
For the people who participated in that meeting, our work is cut out for us. In fact, our roles are reversed. The leadership of the Dhulbahanta have taken the decision, and now they have to convince the public opinion in Dhulbahanta. In terms of the north, in the Isaac areas, it was the public opinion which moved the SNM and the SNM leadership, so our roles are reversed. The Dhulbahanta leadership actually is now trying to convince its constituency to go along, and I think we'll be able to do that.